Hi, my name is Mike Morgan. I live in the Upper West Side of New York City with my wife and my 3-year-old daughter. And I started Iowa State University program, master's in HCI. Let's say this is my third semester. And I, let's see, I have a pretty eclectic background. I actually have my bachelor's in English and creative writing at Binghamton University in New York, and then I got my master's actually at NYU in finance and strategy. Um, I I also have some certifications in usability, as well as some other certifications. And really, my career has kind of taken an interesting trajectory because while I have a very strong kind of communications and writing background. I did a lot of technical type jobs. I was a web programmer, especially in the was starting in the late '90s when the kind of the internet was taking off. I did a lot of web programming. I did business analysis, and I was also a product manager for a financial services company for about 14 years. And I kind of backed into becoming a user researcher. And today I'm actually working at ADP in their innovation lab in New York City, building kind of the next generation HR applications. And in the lab, I've one of the things we do. So ADP is a payroll and HR company, and one of the things we do is really try to understand um, the HR practitioners who use our systems, as well as the employees and the managers. And so part of that is really trying to get end users motivated to use the systems. And I think that's one of the biggest problems with the systems that we're trying to build is truly trying to understand how we can design something to affect an end user and get them to use something. And so some of the reading and the research I think that I'm going to be doing sort of going forward in my program is really trying to kind of get that connection between design and emotion. And so I'm extremely interested in this class. I've actually have read this book already, and it's a fascinating book. But what I'm really hoping to learn from this class is really trying to hone my skills as a user researcher, and going back and reviewing the content and helping me kind of refine my skills, through usability testing and through things like card sorts and the various methods and tools that we use in research. So, in terms of what I like to do when I'm not doing work, I actually enjoy reading UX books. I know it sounds weird and nerdy, but I really do enjoy it. Aside from user experience, I also enjoy running. I run quite a bit at the gym, and I also really enjoy music. In fact, at the workplace, this is almost an appendage. I walk around with these everywhere because I'm constantly listening to music. Um, Pretty much indie music. I used to write CD reviews for a PR firm, so it's really one of my passions is writing and music, and also technology. I love technology, so definitely got the right job, and I'm looking forward to working with everyone in the class, and thanks for hearing me out.